Western Spirit offers a variety of mountain bike trips across the West.
The Black Hills single-track trip is nothing but breathtaking. The Black Hills of South Dakota rise above the plains to create a cool summer environment perfect for riding twisty terrain found here. Black Hills National Forest includes lots of fun single-track trails and dirt roads rolling through spruce groves and grassy meadows. The itinerary includes great sections of the Centennial Trail and the Deerfield Trail just outside of Silver City, South Dakota. Every camp is on a beautiful lake with stunning views, and to top it off, Western Spirit books a party barge out on the lake for day 3 after a ride through fun river crossings and single track with rich mining history. Enjoy these clips of Western Spirit cycling adventures on their Black Hills single track trip.